Hi everyone. In this video we'll take an example to find the first derivative dy by dx by implicit differentiation. So in part A we have the function negative 4x squared plus 3y squared equals square root of 2. Since you have to find dy by dx by implicit differentiation, no need to simplify the function. You have to start derivation directly. So we have negative 4x squared, and the derivative of it is minus 4 times 2, negative 8x, plus the derivative of 3y squared is 6y. But remember, when you have to find the derivative of a function in terms of y, you have to multiply it by y prime, equals the derivative of radical 2 equal to 0, since radical 2 is a constant. Now you have to move negative 8x to the right hand side, and you will get 6y y prime equals to 8x. Then by dividing both sides by 6y, and simplify the right hand side, divide by 2 equals to 4, divide by 2 equals to 3, you can get the final answer, and y prime equals 4x over 3y. In part B, we have this function. On left hand side we don't have any product function or multiplication of two functions. On the right hand side we have 3x cubed y squared. We have multiply of two functions, so this obligates you to use the product rule. Okay, so on the left hand side, the derivation or first derivative of the left hand side is 4x to the power 3 plus derivative of y power 3 is 3y squared. Don't forget y prime, because this is a function in terms of y, so you have to multiply it by y prime when you want to find the slope, equals the derivative of the right hand side. The right hand side is multiplication of two functions, so you have to take 3x cube as u and y square as v or f or g, it's up to you. Now like you see up, we have u prime, which is 9x squared, times v, which is y squared, plus u, which is 3x cubed, and v prime. But v is a function in terms of y, so it will be 2y y prime. By simplifying more, we have 4x cubed plus 3y squared y prime equals 9x squared y squared plus 3 times 2 equal to 6, and we have x cubed y prime. Now you have to group the terms that having y prime, and these terms are this one and this one, and every term have y prime. You have to move it to the left hand side, and the terms don't have a y prime, you have to move it to the right hand side. So you have to move 4x cubed to the right hand side and this one to the left hand side, and you will get 3y square y prime minus 6x cubed y prime equals 9 x square y square minus 4x cubed. Now you have to take the greatest common factor between the two terms on the left hand side, which is y prime. So take out y prime as GCF and you will get 3y square minus 6x cubed y equals 9x square y square minus 4x cubed. Now you have to divide by this polynomial for both sides to get the function y prime. So y prime equals this function divided by this function. So we have 9x square y square minus 4x cubed divided by the function coefficient with y prime, which is 3y square minus 6x cubed times y. And this is the final answer. For part C, we have trigonometric ratio, which is 10. Okay, and in general, if you want to find the derivative of any trigonometric ratio or trigonometric function, you have to find first the derivative of the inside angle, and the inside angle is y square, which is a function in terms of y. So when you want to find the first derivative, you have to multiply it by y prime. So we'll start with left hand side, and you have to find the derivative of the angle y square, and the derivative is 2y prime multiplied by the first derivative of 10, which is secant square the same angle y square, equals the derivative of the right hand side. Derivative of x is equals to 1 minus derivative of y is equals to 1 multiplied by y prime, because y is a function in terms of y. So we have y prime. Then you have to group any term having y prime on the left hand side. So you have to move y prime to the left hand side, and you will get 2y prime secant square y square plus y prime equals to 1. Then you have to take out y prime from the left hand side, and you will get 2y secant square y square plus 1 equals to 1. After that, you have to divide both sides by the function beside y prime to get the final answer of this part. So y prime equals 1 over 2y secant square y square plus 1, and this is the final answer of part C. That's it. Thank you.